Okay, next question is we're going to solve the system of nonlinear equations. So this one is a quadratic equation and this one is a linear equation. So where are they equivalent? So I could do three things here. I could put them on top of each other, and then I could do isolation. So when I'm doing that though, I'd have to kind of organize columns. So I'd have, well, this column is an x squared idea, this is an x, and this is the number. Okay, you can see how I've kind of thought of them lined up. And then with elimination, you say what variable could you get rid of? And here you could get rid of y by subtracting, so 0. X squared subtract no x squareds. 0 x's subtract 2x. Negative 2 subtract 1. Okay, and then we will go into solving. I can also show you that we could have used, so this was elimination, we could use substitution. So if this is equivalent to y, it could make a replacement for that y, which would read x squared minus 2 equals 2x plus 1. So that's a replacement. And when I solve an equation that looks like this, I can see x squareds and x's. So I'm trying to get 0 on one side. So x squared is the boss. And then it would look like that. So you can see how I got to the same place. Either method, elimination or substitution. Sometimes one is better than the other. So here I'm going to factor some negative 3, positive 1. So x equals 3, x equals negative 1. Now I have to go in and I say, well, what is y when x equals 3? So it doesn't matter, you could go here. 3 squared is 9, subtract 2 is 7, or 3 times 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this is the coordinate, that's the solution. And when x equals negative 1, okay, so negative 1 squared is 1, subtract 2 is negative 1. And or if you'd plugged it in there, same thing. Okay, now to show you how this would work on a graph. Parabola, it has a negative 2 intercept on the y-axis, and it's going to go up 1, over 1, over 1, up 1. It's going to go over 2, up 4. And it's going to go over 3, up 9. Okay, so those are some key points on the parabola. And the line, so the second equation is a line. It starts at 1 on the y-axis. It has a slope of 2, so it's going to go up to right 1, up to right 1, up to right 1. So when you're graphing, you're going to notice that it intersects, or these two are equivalent at the coordinate 3, 7, and negative 1, negative 1.